Very warm welcome to the grand finale of the inaugural edition of the All India Hafele Kitchen Ideas Design Challenge.
It has been 8 years since we have launched Kitchen Ideas, a quarterly publication, especially for the fraternity of architects and interior designers. It's after 8 years that we decided to have a design challenge specifically for kitchens. In India, kitchens is one space where the entire family meets, eats, has fun together. And we have seen that over the years how the kitchen design in India has been evolving. Say that it was a pleasure to partner with Hafele India Private Limited for this design challenge. Hafele as a company, they also understand that the kitchen designs keep evolving as per the needs of the people, and they were with us at every page of this design challenge. It was a pleasure to work with them.
I thank Gnosis and Hafele for putting this competition together, and I really appreciate the way Hafele is going ahead and giving opportunity to a lot of young designers to come forward and put their best kitchen designs forward.
We are very fortunate to have taken part in this. It has been a thrilling experience. Please do continue to have it yearly. It would be our pleasure to be taking part in such a competition, and I consider myself to be personally blessed that our firm could be a part of it.
It's the first time that Hafele did something like this, and we did it together with Kitchen Ideas and Shetal Shetty, so thank you for the opportunity. It was a really well executed competition overall, and the challenge with all the regional jury selections that I was also part of and could learn from. So it was a really nice experience, and congratulations to all the winners today. You did a great job. Thank you.